All right. So at the time of this recording, I have built the script that was slated for this week, pushed it, tested it for success. Obviously, since the script pushes upon local user login, I'm not going to be able to actively show you that through this video, but I will have screen caps showing its success. But what I'd like to go over actually is the script itself, as well as explaining how we cause the script to be pushed automatically upon local user login. Alrighty, so the script itself is actually stored here just on the computer's C drive. Now, looking at the contents of this PowerShell script, over here, the biggest part of the code is that it is grabbing a copy of the administrator's OBS scenes and profiles. A very important note is that this is not the active administrator's profiles and scenes. Otherwise, if I made edits on the administrator's OBS settings and profiles, that would constantly be changing the default. No, with this we want to grab a copy of like the perfect default we want to be pushed. And we want to place that copy of the scenes and profiles that we want to be pushed, that we built on the administrator account, on the public documents folder. So that is where it is always going to grab it, is in the public documents folder. It's going to copy that, and upon any user logging in, it's going to push the default scenes and profiles we built to that individual user's scenes and profiles folder for their individual OBS. Now, another important part about this is that since we're grabbing just a copy of the scenes, profiles, and basic configuration for that OBS that I built on the administrator account, it is always going to pick the default recording path of the administrator's video folders. Obviously, you're not going to be able to do that in OBS under any Joe Smo login. So what we do is we have it here to where the script will cause it to replace any instance of it saying administrator, and it's going to change administrator in that basic configuration file to the username's name. And so it's always going within that script going to change it to where the recording path is always the user's videos folders. So good stuff in this script. Now, the important thing, how do we get this guy to run upon login? So we do that through a Windows batch file. So let me go ahead and get the script minimized and the C drive minimized. So you're asking, where is this batch file located? It is located in our startup folder. So this will be called anytime any user logs in to this PC. Now, what is within this batch file? It's super simple. As you can see here, all it's causing it to do is it's causing upon a batch file upon startup to run the PowerShell script that is in the C drive. So, in terms of this video, that should pretty much explain it. I'm sorry if it's a little longer video than normal, but we're starting to get into the technical nitty-gritty, so I hope you understand. Next week, we're going to be doing a full recording and editing for a demo that we're going to be prepping. So that should be good. Alrighty. Y'all have a good one.